Hi, and welcome to YeeFit Adventures. My name's Darren.
And I'm Amber. And I'm Jordan. I'm Avery.
And this channel is about backpacking, cooking, and fitness. So if those things interest you, please consider subscribing and liking this channel.
And today we're going to go to the Arizona Science Center.
That's right, so let's go check it out.
I'm Jordan, and I'm here to say to come and have fun and enjoy. So please stay along.
The Arizona Science Center is a science museum located in Heritage and Science Park in the heart of downtown Phoenix. This is home to over 350 permanent hands-on exhibits. The center provides 400,000 annual visitors with interactive experiences. Aside from the permanent exhibitions, Arizona Science Center has featured a number of national traveling exhibitions. Along with daily demonstrations throughout the center provides shows in the Dorrance Planetarium and in a 5-story giant-size IMAX theater. This non-profit corporation provides special educational programs and science activities to visitors of all ages, including summer science camps, adult night out, thematical events, stroller science preschool programs, and the Science on Wheels outreach program.
Good job.
Shoot like you're a Phoenix Sun. There you go. You guys use your brain power. Move it with your mind.
Think about the ball moving. What? Oh, that's really cool.
You can do it. You can do it, Joe. You're winning. As we move up to the second level, you can experience electromagnetic workbench and experience the invisible forces of electromagnetism as objects move before your very eyes, or lay upon 1,000 bed of nails. Alright, let's go. All the way to the top. Good job. Test your pulley power. Go for a ride in one of our 3 pulley chairs. Or your balancing skills. Balance a ball on a cushion of air. As you make your way up to the 3rd floor, don't forget to play some music. On your way to Forces of Nature. This exhibit allows you to experience the Earth as never before. What does it feel like to be in the middle of a hurricane, tornado, wildfire, volcano eruption, or a monsoon? There's only one way to find out.
Science Center, and then and walk comes out.
Whoa!
3.
Go!
Whoa.
Whoa! I'm gonna go back. watching YeeFit Adventures.
And I hope you have fun.
What are you guys' favorite parts of the Arizona Science Museum?
The part where we play. And the part where we do...
Did you like the spiders?
Yeah. My favorite part was seeing the science show. Me. My favorite part was the bubbles and the science show. My favorite part is seeing the gems and the rocks at the science museum.
Oh yeah, all the gems and the rocks. We got to learn about the body and about gravity, volcanoes, the weather. It's a great place to take the kids and hang out. It only takes maybe a couple hours, maybe 2-3 hours to go through everything. But it's a nice place for air conditioning to stay cool. Anything else you guys want to say?
Yeah.
What? Okay, well thanks for watching YeeFit Adventures.
And please subscribe for more videos like this.
And we'll see you next time. Bye.